Hi, I'm next to the raised bed on my new balcony, and it's pretty sad looking. We have lavender that is dead, we have a rosemary that looks pretty dead to me, then we have some lavender that survived that don't look the nicest anymore, but I think I will try to salvage them. And yeah, also a lot of weeds. I will show you a little bit closer in a bit. So my task for today is to, yeah, get the biggest job done, removing the dead plants, weeding it a little bit, and then I have a little bit of soil that I can top up this raised bed with it. Yeah, so here you can see the weeds and the dead rosemary. Yeah, I have to get rid of this. Then some beautiful succulents. And yeah, quite a large rosette over here. So I might make like a succulent arrangement in the middle here, but then I really have to raise the soil level of the raised bed. Yeah, then that lavender, that lavender, that lavender, even more that lavender, but then here, yay, they're alive. So I will just cut the bloom stalks and yeah, it should be okay. And yeah, I mean, weeds all over. So this is gonna be, yeah, quite a big task. But yeah, we have to start somewhere. Step 1 is complete and it already looks much better. I even discovered some more succulents. So I can definitely include them or incorporate them in my succulent arrangement that I'm gonna install somewhere in this raised bed. So the rosemary looks very beautiful now that I cut off the dead branches. And now only the surviving lavender remain. Yeah, they still don't look the nicest, so I have to see what I'm gonna do with them, but I think for now it's definitely an improvement on before. And yeah, right here there are these small sedums, which are actually quite cute, so I have to kind of figure out on how to incorporate them. Ooh, another weed. But yeah, definitely an improvement. And yeah, quite a bit of planting space in the middle. And yeah, so I have to get my innovation, my inspiration boots going and think about what to do on my balcony. And now in the final step of prepping this high bed, I will top up the soil with a little bit of gardening soil, including some compost. And yeah, I'm not going to remove the old soil. There was no infestation and just quite a few weeds, but apart from this it should be fine. And yeah, topping it up will be, yeah, should do the job. I'm done prepping the raised bed and it looks 100 times better already. A little bit empty at the moment, but yeah, no more dead plants and yeah, chopped up gardening soil. And yeah, I'm really excited now to find nice plants and that I can plant in this raised bed. And I'm gonna use these succulents in the near future as well. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you soon. Bye bye.